Liyana, why does skincare product always mention the percentage of ingredient like niacinamide and glutathione?
If I'm not mistaken, our lecturer has mentioned that the concentration is important in our skincare product. If it's too hard, it might irritate your skin.
Oh.
And if the concentration is too low, the product may not work effectively. That's why the cosmetic companies need to determine their concentration accurately before releasing their products.
Oh!
Lena, how do chemists make sure the concentration is correct?
Oh, one of the methods commonly used is volumetric analysis.
Oh, so what exactly is volumetric analysis?
It is a method to determine concentration by measuring the volume required for a chemical reaction.
Oh.
Today, I will explain more about volumetric analysis. Volumetric analysis is a quantitative chemical analysis, a method to determine an unknown substance concentration. It relies on titration, where a solution of known concentration is slowly added into an analyte until the chemical reaction fully completes. Today, we will explain about theory,
Methodology, uses in daily life, and industry in volumetric analysis. Let's go!
Volumetric analysis? Why is it so important in our life? What does it even do? In volumetric analysis, there are a lot of applications in our life, including industry, manufacturing, and in our daily life. In today's video, we will talk about one of the commonly application of volumetric analysis, which is in our daily life, in which it is to determine the acidity of fruits such as orange, lemon, through titration. The titration works by having acid from the fruit reacts with the base, which then will form salt and water. For example, the main acid contains in lemon are citric acid. A standard alkali like sodium hydroxide and sodium bicarbonate will be added gradually into citric acid until it is completely neutralized. In a normal titration, indicators such as phenolphthalein will be used to determine the end point when the color of the solution changes, just like in this photo. By knowing the volume of standard alkali needed to reach the end point, the acidity of the fruit can be calculated. The more the alkali solution required to neutralize the fruit acid, the higher the acidity of the fruit. If you're wondering why this process is essential in our life, it is to help to ensure the food quality and safety. It also helps with finding out the amount of substance such as vitamin C in food and drinks. Let's find out the process of the titration. Let's go!
Oh my god, it's so soury. It's so soury. Let me taste it. Oh my god. Let's taste the lemon acidity in citric acid titration. Let's go.
We need lemon juice, warm water, baking soda, 3 cups of glass, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 spoon for stirring, Mentos, and a marker pen.
First, we need to mix the warm water, a cup of warm water, a spoon of baking soda. Then we dissolve it. In a second cup, level A, we need to put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 1, soda from cup B into the cup A and stir it until the viscous bubble dissolves. Keep adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda and stir it until the viscous bubble fully dissolves, until there is no longer viscous bubble, so the end point is reached.
Now we're ready to complete our acid-base titration. Pour a fresh portion of your diluted lemon juice into a clean, dry beaker. And then using your 20 ml pipette, make sure you rinse thoroughly first, very important, and then take a 20 ml aliquot and deliver it into a conical flask or a titration flask. You should do this 4 times, and then to each flask, add 2 or 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. That will tell us when the reaction is complete. Now we're ready to titrate. Fill your burette with approximately 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide. Make sure you remove the funnel from the top. Make sure there are no air bubbles in the bottom. And then take your initial burette reading to 2 decimal places as best you can. Once you've taken your initial reading, you can then start titrating. You can start adding your sodium hydroxide to your sample. You can start by doing this in a rapid dropwise fashion. As you start seeing flashes of pink develop in your lemon juice, you'll slow down the speed of your additions. Just add a drop at a time and watch the solution. Again, those flashes of pink will get brighter and brighter as you get close to the end. The goal is for you to add a half drop. Get half a drop sitting on the tip of your burette. And then tap it against the side of your conical flask. Take your wash bottle and then wash down the walls of your flask. Wash all of your titrant down into your reaction. And if your titration has gone strictly to plan, it will be half a drop that takes you from not quite being at the end point to still having a clear and colorless solution to having a faint light pink throughout your solution. Once you reach this point, you can stop your titration, take your reading to 2 decimal places, and you'll know the exact volume of sodium hydroxide required to react with 20 ml of your dilute lemon juice.
The acidity of lemon juice can be determined through a neutralization reaction between citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. During the reaction, carbon dioxide gas is produced, which appears as bubbles. The end point is reached when no more bubbles are observed, indicating that the citric acid has been neutralized. Let's see how the acidity of lemon juice is calculated. By using the experimental data and the valence chemical equation, we can determine the concentration of citric acid present in the lemon juice. Based on these calculations, the acidity of lemon juice was found to be 0.32 m.
Wait, it's not done yet. Do you know, in titration, even a single drop plays a significant role. A tiny amount can affect the final result, just like this.
And this is why volumetric analysis is very important in our life, as they are widely used in many industries, including food industry, medicine, and environmental analysis.
With the help of apparatus like burette, pipette, and conical flask, chemists can measure the solution with high accuracy.
From colorless solution to colorful reactions, chemistry is exciting when precision meets teamwork.
Thank you for watching.
Memilih nama panggilan mesra, kamu blueberry dan aku pastry. Nama depanmu, nama belakangku, jadi nama toko